elementary row transformation. 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. So here this is 3 rows, 3 columns are there. So this one R1, R2, this one is R3. Here we can interchange the rows. We can write it as 3 minus 2, 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 1, 3, 1. So here what we have done, R1 and R2 are interchanged. So we can do like this also. Here the last row multiplied by 3 and added with the first one. So let us consider this as R1 here. This is R3. So we can do that. R3 equal to, here we can write R1 minus R2 we can do. So this can be written in R1, or we can write R3 also should be written in R1. So here we can add or subtract. Add or subtract with any rows. So here I have done this one. So here we get R1, 3 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Here minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So remaining we can write it as it is, or we can do the modification in other rows also. We can multiply so here R3 can be multiplied by 2. We can write 0 minus 8, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. R3 is multiplied by 2, so we get 2 times 6 times this is 2. So here we can do multiply or division, dividing any row with number. So these are the things we must remember in row elementary transformation. We are discussing about matrix, not determinant. So that should be remembered. Here, Echelon form of a matrix. See, we have a matrix 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 3, 3 cross 4 cross 4, anything we can write. 1, 3, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, 4, 1, 3. So let us consider this as 3 cross 3 matrix. Here we can do the any row transformation. We can subtract R1 minus R2, or we can multiply, we can subtract, anything we can do. After simplifying this one, after simplifying we may get the form. Okay, this is example. After simplifying this one, we may get 1 3 4 0 8 7 0. So here we can get 0, here we can get 3 are some values. So here we can see that lower diagonal 0. After simplifying, we may get this one. Suppose if you have the 4 cross 3 matrix of the form, this is A, and here the 4 cross 2 matrix or 4 cross 3 matrix, we can write it as 2 3 4 5 0 1 0 2 0 0 1 0. So here if you write 2 as 1, good. So here instead of this one, if we write 1, it will be good. So similarly here, 8 and 3 should be simplified and we must write it as 1 and 0. Some of the terms we can simplify and we can write. These are the examples of echelon form. 1 0 2 0 0 1 0 0 0. The last row may be 0. Last 2 row may be 0. So here, the uses of studying this echelon form is nothing but to find the rank of the matrix. Identifying number of rows with the non-zero elements. So here you can see R1 is we have the elements, and R2 we have the elements, R3 we have the elements. So all the 3 rows we have the elements. Rank of the matrix for this one is 3. Here first row, second row we have the values. Rank of the matrix is 2. Similarly here, rank of the matrix is 3. We call it this as lower diagonal matrix. Find the rank of a matrix by using elementary transformation. So here 1 2 3 2 2 3 5 1 1 3 4 5. Here the given matrix is nothing but A. We do the modification. So modification. So here first row we must check that A11 is not equal to 0. So here A11 not equal to 0. Then we write the first row as it is. 1 2 3 2. Now with help of this one A11, we try to make this A21 as 0. So here make A21 0. So here we can multiply with any number, then subtract, any combination we can do. So here this should be equal. How this will be equal? First row multiplied by 2, and both the symbols are positive, so we can subtract, it become 0. So here the complete row should be multiplied by 2. So here row, what is row? Multiplying by 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 2 2s are 4. So I am multiplying by 2, so 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now R2 is written as it is 2, 3, 5, 1. Subtract it. So here minus is there, subtract it. This becomes 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here we are getting 0, 1, 1, 3. Now this one we should make 0. So here we can subtract directly, we get the answer. R3 is R3 minus R1 or R1 minus R3 we can do. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. So I have done directly here. Now we can see that R2 and R3 are same values. So here we can do R2 is R3 equal to R3 minus R2. So there is the changes in the matrix. First row, we write it as it is 1, 2, 3, 2. Second row, we write it 0, 1, 1, 3. So subtract this one, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here we can see that first element is 1 and second row first element is 1. Third row we have all the element as 0. Rank of the matrix is 2. So a matrix 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, minus 3. So this is the given matrix. Find rank of the matrix. So here we can do any simplification in this one. So here I am trying with subtraction of summation of these two. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Here it is nothing but adding two values and subtracting with one of the row. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So similarly here 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is nothing but first we write the first row as it is 1, 3, 4, 5. Here this one we should make 0. Here A11 is not equal to 0. First we observed this one and we try to make A21 equal to 0. So to write this one, we should write these two as equal. So here first row, if we multiply by 3, we get second row of the first element. So it is nothing but 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. This second row we write it as it is 3, 2, 5, 2. We subtract this one. This becomes 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 15 minus 12 is 2 is 13. So here 0, 7, 7, 13 we are getting. For this one, we R3 is R1 plus R3 we add, then we subtract R2. So here 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Similarly 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 plus plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Last row 0. Here, echelon form of the matrix should be written 1, 3, 4, 5, 0. So this one we should divide row by 7. We get 1, 1, 13 by 7. Last row is 0, 0, 0. So here we have 2 rows are non-zero, hence rank of the matrix is